give the floor to the Honourable Ramila Kumar, Minister.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the member for his question, and I would like to inform the House that real efforts are being made to manage solid waste in the rural areas. And the members know that previously rural areas came under Rural Local Authority, which reported to Ministry of Health. And Ministry of Health, because their focus was health and not really garbage collection, so rural areas were not well looked after. And municipal councils would not collect the rubbish from the rural areas. So again, a policy decision was made to shift, not really shift, but shift just the solid waste collection component from the rural local authorities to all the municipal council. And that led to the extension of the municipal council boundaries. Again, why would the municipal councils then collect the rubbish from the rural areas when they're not paying rates? In that situation, the government stepped in, and in 2018-2019 budget, they had in fact transferred the rural area solid waste management services to municipal councils on the basis that they will provide the funds. And so far, the government is assisting municipal councils all over Fiji by providing compactor trucks, by subsidizing. They have given a grant of 1.5 million, and we all know Nasinu is one area which is densely populated, and somehow, which is not very nice to say, but it is termed as a squatter town. So that's where the government has come out in full force to assist the residents in the Nasinu area. Previously, the garbage collection was just once a week. Now that has been extended to 5 days. So that's all I have to say for now. Thank you.
Thank you.